In this video, you will learn what citation chaining is and how you can use it to enhance your research process. Citation chaining is a research technique that uses sources like books or articles to find other sources in conversation with each other. In order to understand citation chaining, it is helpful to understand the concept of the scholarly conversation. The scholarly conversation is the existing publications, conferences, online discussions, and more surrounding a particular topic. Scholars don't work in isolation, and the scholarly conversation traces the way that sources and scholars communicate with each other about the research in a field. When you use citation chaining as a research technique, you are plugging into a dense web of connections surrounding your topic. Citation chaining begins with one or two high-quality, relevant to your research sources, which you then use as a springboard for the rest of your research. Citation chaining consists of backward searching and forward searching. In backward searching, you use the bibliography, also known as the works cited, of a source to find more sources that are relevant to your research. In essence, backward searching is going back in time from when your source was published, and can be helpful in finding foundational articles in your field. Forward searching is when you use a resource such as Google Scholar or the Web of Science database to find books and articles that have cited your source in their own research. Forward searching allows you to move forward in time from when your article was published and brings you up to date with research in the field. Check out the Claremont College's library YouTube channel to learn more about the research process and library resources, including techniques for forward and backward searching in library databases. And you can always contact the library via Ask Us or chat with more questions.